That's why he's on the dock, ladies and gentlemen. David Baker, the Vice President of Palmetto Dock Dogs. And that big chocolate lab down there is Skinner. This is Team Freebird on the dock. Oh, he broke a little early. There is a delicate balance up on the dock of getting your dog amped up, wound up, and excited. And at that moment when they just can't stand it, you release them after that toy. Every person gets 90 seconds. You'll see some people that take less than 9, and others that use every second they've been allotted. All right, let's make some noise for Skinner, folks.
Go Skinner! Woo! Good boy!
Jump for Skinner.
Yes!
He was getting on down that rock and roll highway, that's for sure.